Hello everyone, I'm very happy to share you the exciting news that I have started the journey of launching courses on Udemy, which is one of the affordable platform. You can find my recorded courses on Udemy from now on. The very first course which I have launched is unit testing with JUnit 5. Lot many updates I'll give in this existing course also, and going forward many more Udemy courses I'm going to launch. Currently, I'm also recording the videos on SQL, multithreading, virtual threads, Java, new features, Spring Framework, microservices, Linux commands, and AWS. Many more in the next upcoming few months. You'll be seeing many courses of mine on Udemy, which will be very much affordable and also the most simplified and the detailed. I have started the journey, and initially, once I launch the course, for initial few learners, I'll be giving the Udemy courses free coupons for free of cost. They can enroll. I have tried to give the free coupons on my LinkedIn platform. What happened is many of the people who are not even from the Java background and they are enrolling to the courses, and they are giving the unnecessary reviews which are not even relevant to the courses. To avoid that, if you join our WhatsApp channel, you can find the link in the description and also in our community post, a regular community post of this YouTube channel, wherein initial for few hours after launching the courses, I'll be giving the free coupons. Anyone can join the Udemy courses for free of cost. Those who are part of the WhatsApp channel only. Fine. Others, I'll be keep on sharing the links of updated Udemy courses which you can buy for the affordable prices, all the courses through my Instagram, through the LinkedIn, and through the YouTube channel. Fine. So you'll be getting the link of all the affordable courses. Many more to plan. I have just started the course with the unit testing with JUnit 5. This is the very first course. Many more to come on the Udemy, which you can easily afford and learn. It will be detailed and the most simplified. Thank you so much for your support, your continuous support which you have given to me, which you have shown to me, and I hope you will continue to show the same support. So please do join the WhatsApp channel. You can follow me on the Instagram, and also you can follow me on my LinkedIn. Thank you, every one of you.